So now I am going to discuss about the importance of wash in India. इंडिया में wash का importance क्या है? We know that 5 million children die every year before the age of 5 due to malnutrition. 5 मिलियन बच्चे 5 साल की उम्र के कम में मारे जाते हैं क्योंकि वो प्रॉपर सैनिटेशन एंड हाइजीन लैक करते हैं, क्योंकि malnutrition होता है उनमें. This is the reason of the death of so many children. Can you imagine the grave situation? As the parents of the children lack proper sanitation and hygiene, they are the victim of malnourishment, and when the children are born, their immunity power is not so much good. So when they are subjected to infection like diarrhea and all, their nutritional level decreases a lot, and that's why a lot of children are the victim of deaths before the age of 5. So proper sanitation and hygiene can ensure that these deaths will reduce to a great extent in India. It improves social status. As we have seen in a lot of cases, women have complained, the rural women have complained that they are afraid to go to the fields for open defecation, as they were afraid that another man or any other unknown person will see them doing that. They thought that it will cause them the losing of their dignity. उनका सम्मान कम हो जाएगा, क्योंकि वो अगर बाहर में खुले में शौच करने जाएंगे तो अगर उनको कोई अननोन आदमी देख लिया तो उनके डिग्निटी में इसका असर पड़ता था. वुमेन कंप्लेंट दैट दे हैड टू गो एट मिडनाइट और अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग so that people don't see them going to the fields for open defecation. Many of the women were victims of snake bites because in the dark they cannot see the snakes. So proper sanitation, hygiene and toilets can improve the social status among women in the rural areas in India. So the next point is, it provides proper nutritional values to children. As I have discussed earlier, due to malnutrition, a lot of children die before the age of 5. So if they get proper sanitation and hygiene practices, then they will not be the victim of malnourishment, and they can go to school, live their dreams, and they can contribute to the society and contribute to India's economy. So proper sanitation, water supply and hygiene can provide nutritional values to children. It also causes economic benefits. See, we know that the maximum of the manual labor force belong from the rural areas. So if they are the victim of malnourishment, they are the victim of diseases like diarrhea and all, they die at a younger age. So this is a negative point. As they are getting sick at a regular basis, they are not able to contribute properly for the economy of India. So if there is proper water, sanitation and hygiene facilities, it will cause economic benefits also. It was also noted that in 2006, the economic loss due to improper water, sanitation and hygiene was accounted to 6.4% of India's GDP. Can you imagine the number? 6.4% of GDP. It was lost due to improper sanitation and hygiene practices. So suppose the hygiene and sanitation condition of India improves, how it can give an economic boost to India? अगर sanitation और hygiene का condition improve हुआ तो कितना बूस्ट मिलेगा इंडिया को इकोनॉमिकली भी. दिस इज द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. एंड नाउ द लास्ट टॉपिक विच आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस इन दिस वीडियो इज द प्रेजेंट सिनेरियो ऑफ वॉश इन इंडिया. इंडिया में अभी वॉश का क्या सिनेरियो चल रहा है? सो इंडिया हैज मेड अ प्रोग्रेस इन ओपन डेफिकेशन हैविंग अ ह्यूज इम्पैक्ट ऑन वॉश. इंडिया हैज मेड a progress in eradicating open defecation across the country. In 2015, 568 million people of India were subjected to open defecation. Can you imagine the number? 568 million people were subjected to open defecation in the year 2015. India accounted for 90% of the people in South Asia and half of the 1.2 billion who were subjected to OD. See the numbers. 90% of the people in South Asia were Indian people were subjected to open defecation. Can you understand the situation? But by 2019, according to the latest estimates, the number of people not using toilets have been reduced by 450 million people. See the improvement. 2019 तक 450 मिलियन लोग जो टॉयलेट इस्तेमाल नहीं करते थे उनका संख्या कम हो गया. All this has been possible because of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan or Swachh Bharat Mission, which had a vision of making India open defecation free by the year 2019.